Hey everyone, it's Tom with Fresh Vintage. Today we're hanging out in our 2003 Honda Pilot here. We're actually going to go ahead and replace the blower motor resistor. This fits 01 to 05 Acura MDXs and 03 to 08 Honda Pilots. The reason we're replacing this today is the car is not started, but we're going to start it right now. And when you start it, or when you turn the ignition on, you can hear the AC just kicked on, but you can see right here, I have the fan. And this is a symptom of this going bad. There's actually a thermal fuse in here that blows after a while. It's a pretty common problem on these, and it either does one of two things. It does this, where you have no fan, or it just blows on high nonstop no matter what button you press. So 99% sure it's this guy, and this actually sits, we're gonna show you this right now, but this actually sits up underneath the dash, kind of like this, and it's literally right here. So we're gonna go under the dash right now and show you where this is at. There's 3 screws and a plug, and it comes out. So we'll have this thing out in about a couple minutes. Okay, so I am here, and we are actually literally like right under here. And I'm gonna grab the phone and show you where this thing is at. And you have to pull this out of the way. I'll work on getting that out of there. But so this right here, you have to pull out of the way, pull this down. And then this here, actually, this here, I should be able to do this. Pull that right out. There we go. So that's your only electrical connector there. And I'm going to get this off of here by pulling on it. There, I pull on it really hard, breaking up. There we go, it just popped out. It's just a little end right there. But I'm gonna take these screws out right now, so I'll be right back. So I have all of the screws out, and I'm gonna carefully work. Actually, that one's not 100% out yet. There we go. Now it's out. And you see that thing comes out of there that easy. It's trying to just get it out of the way of this wire right here. There we go. Okay, so there's our old one. And here's our new one. And I mean, this thing doesn't really look that bad, but there is a thermal switch in here. I was reading online that they will eventually pop, and once they do that, they'll either just, the fan will run continuously or it won't run at all. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one in, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we have the new resistor in here, and take a minute, just be patient, and it has to go in almost the exact right angle. But something else I want to caution everyone about, that back screw, forgive the shaky here a little bit, but that back screw very well could fall behind your carpet. And that's exactly what happened to me, so I just had to pull this carpet back to grab it. But once it did that, it's good to go. So I'm going to plug it in, and we're going to try it here right now. And just like that, folks, we have working fan again. Perfect. Just in time for the summer heat. You can find the link to this part, this resistor, in the description. And with that, if you like classic cars, if you like muscle cars, if you like car repair, if you like DIY scan tools, and if you like Chevelles and Chargers and taking care of your own cars and keeping them fresh, make sure you like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.